Sky Power Sports crew stepping up today. They had a lot of jobs need to get done. So the techs are all getting after it. Because our customers are important to us. As you can see, everybody in the shop is doing their part to get these jobs out on time. Hey, Dave. Doug just walked away, but he is rebuilding this unit for a customer that wants it tomorrow. These are all jobs that the customer wants to go play with, their equipment. So we're working real hard to get it all out for them. So I'm working today with the transmission in this one. Helping with each other to get a job done. Dave's standing flat. This is how we roll at Sky Power Sports.